Good morning, boys and girls. So I wanted to show you again how to do the worksheet review for math. So once you log in, you'll get this picture. So you need to click on modules. And then you'll scroll down, and right here it says Math Review Worksheet. So you'll click on that. And then you click on the link for your math worksheet. Begin with Google. Click on your name. And here's the assignment. So this today says draw a line to match unit form with number form. So again, use this pencil tool right here, and all you have to do is you have to 100, 1, 1. Well, 100, 1, 1 is 101. So I'm going to take this and draw my line to 101. 110, 1, 1. Figure out what number that is. Oops. 7 tens, 1, 1. 7 hundreds, 1, 1. 100, 110, and 700s, 110. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the I'm done when you are finished completing this worksheet. Have a great day. Bye.